Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 16, Natural Resources. Students, let us learn natural gas. Natural gas is an important fossil fuel. It is found associated with petroleum in underground oil wells and in some places as natural gas alone. The main components of natural gas is methane CH4, while ethane C2H6, propane C3H8 and butane C4H10 are present in small proportions. Natural gas is formed from the remains of organisms buried deep underground and subjected to high pressure. This fuel can be carried over long distances by means of a gas pipeline. But in the absence of a network of pipelines, it is transformed under high pressure into compressed natural gas (CNG) and liquefied natural gas (LNG). This makes it possible to transport the gas. Characteristics of CNG. CNG catches fire easily. No solid waste remains after combustion. Carbon dioxide and water are formed in small quantities. Other pollutants are not produced. CNG can be transported easily. Combustion can be controlled easily. Students, fossils are the preserved remains of dead organisms in rock. Fossils are the sign of their existence left behind by organisms that got buried billions of years ago. Sometimes impressions of the organisms are seen on the surface of coal and stones. Let us learn liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). Petroleum gas is obtained during refining of crude petroleum. Petroleum gas is transformed into a liquid by subjecting it to high pressure and reducing its volume to 1 by 240 of the originals. It is stored in thick-walled steel cylinders so that under pressure it remains in the liquid state. As it comes out from the storage cylinder, it is transformed back into a gas. This gas contains mainly two components, propane and butane, in the ratio 30:70. It is an odorless gas, but a small amount of a chemical called ethyl mercaptan, which has a strong characteristic odor, is added to it. This helps to detect any leakage of LPG gas immediately and thus avoid any accident. Students, the demand for fuel has increased greatly due to the rapidly growing population, but the reserves of fossil fuels are limited. It is becoming difficult to meet the increased demand. The likelihood of these reserves getting exhausted is known as the energy crisis. As the reserves of fossil fuels, namely mineral oil and coal, are limited and the demand is increasing, alternative fuels are coming into use. Hydrogen, biofuels, methanol or wood alcohol, ethanol or green alcohol are some of the alternative fuels. Let us learn forest resources. An extensive area of land covered by a variety of plants is called a forest. A forest is a natural habitat of plants, animals and microbes. About 30% of the total land of the world is covered by forest. Forests perform certain specific protective and productive functions. Let us see protective functions of forest. To reduce the velocity of water flowing over the land. To prevent soil erosion. To help percolation of water into the ground. To control floods. To reduce the rate of evaporation. To protect wildlife. And to maintain the balance of atmospheric gases. Thus, forests help improve and maintain the quality of the environment. Students, let us learn some productive functions of forest. First, let us learn some medicinal plants and their medicinal use. Adulsa used for treatment of cough and cold. Bale used for treatment of diarrhea. Neem used for treatment of fever and cold. Periwinkle used for treatment of cancer. Cinnamon used for treatment of diarrhea and nausea. Cinchona used for treatment of malaria. Students, we get strong and durable wood as also firewood from trees like teak, mahogany, neem, axia, subabul. Wood is used for making furniture, farming implements and various other articles as well as in construction work. Forest wealth includes fibers, paper, rubber, gum and aromatic substances. We get fragrant essential oils from lemongrass, vanilla, kevda, khus and eucalyptus. Sandalwood and oil of eucalyptus are used for making soaps, cosmetics and essence sticks. Students, in addition we get various fruits, bulbs and roots, honey sealing wax, dyes, etc. from forest. Students, how to conserve forests? Young trees should not be cut. Many more trees than more cut down should be planted and looked after. The stringent restrictions, laws, regulations regarding use of forest should be strictly followed. Thank you.